A sentence is the word or more that makes a complete thought. It contains a verb and a subject, that's what Dr. Fisher taught. One IC is simple, two or more ICs compound. Complex is when one IC and one or more DCs can be found. But if there are two or more ICs and one or more DCs, then it's compound, complex, the combo of all three. A word or more that makes a complete thought. It contains a verb and a subject, that's what Dr. Fisher taught. But wait, if it has a subject and a verb, how can it be only one word? That seems absurd. Dr. Fisher said for sentence structure, try to remember this. Each sentence makes a complete thought, even a one-word sentence like stop or miss. If you say stop, the subject is the understood you. You stop is what stop means, it's true. And you miss is what miss means too. Is one independent clause, we'll call it an IC. Like I talked to Santa Claus, the IC can stand alone, you see. A compound sentence is two independent clauses with fanboys. Elf made the gifts, comma, and Santa delivered the toys. Subject, verb, comma, fanboy, subject, verb. With those 5 things, a compound sentence is heard. But wait, what comes next? An IC and a dependent clause, DC is complex. Dependent clauses have a subject and a verb, but they begin with a relative word. Like, after, although, unless, until, when, and whenever, then that, because, before, wherever, while, and whether. When you add one to a sentence, it no longer stands alone. You need to add an independent clause to make the meaning known. For example, after Santa gave Rudolph a flying test, the DC cannot stand alone. We need to know what happened next. After Santa gave Rudolph a flying test, Rudolph laid down to rest. Now it is a complete thought because we know what happened next. The last type is compound complex. Dr. Fisher explains that next, 2 or more ICs and 1 or more DCs is what you need. After Nicky planted the seed, a beanstalk grew and Jack climbed it too. A sentence is a word or more that makes a complete thought. It contains a verb and a subject, that's what Dr. Fisher taught. One IC is simple, 2 or more ICs compound. Complex is when one IC and 1 or more DCs can be found. But if there are 2 or more ICs and 1 or more DCs, then it's compound, complex, the combo of all three.